The following video will go through all aspects relating to the battery insertion and operation of the P680M. The hearing aid will be shipped to you in a hard case. Please store your P680M in this case or similar when it is not in use. According to your order, we will send the device set up for use on your left or your right ear. There is small blue or red lettering towards the bottom of the tubing. Blue indicates left-sided tubing. Red indicates right-sided tubing. We will include a dome on the end of the tubing. The size sent by default is a size 7 dome. We also include a tulip dome and power dome, which we will show you how to use shortly. To change the batteries, open the battery compartment by using the fingernail notch on the edge of the battery tray. Pull off the protective sticker on a new size 312 battery and wait a few seconds for air to enter and begin to activate. Insert the size 312 battery, ensuring that the negative or shouldered contact is pointing downward with the positive flat contact uppermost. Close the battery compartment until a distinct click is felt or heard. The P680M is now ready. It is switched off by opening the battery drawer. If your battery starts to go flat, the P680M will indicate this by emitting a series of beeps. You will only be able to hear this when the device is in the ear. This signal will reoccur every 5 minutes until the hearing instrument automatically switches off. In terms of user controls, there is a push button on the spine of the hearing aid. When the P680M is on the ear, by pressing the push button once, you will hear one or more beeps. The number of beeps indicates which program you have selected. For example, 1 beep for program 1, 2 beeps for program 2, and so on. On the P680M, the 4th program is the telecoil setting by default. When the P680M is turned off and then back on, it will always return to program 1. The P680M supports wireless functionality and may be paired with a number of wireless accessories like a TV streamer, remote control, or as shown, a mini microphone. You use the push button on the hearing aid to activate streaming mode. Press and hold the push button for 2 seconds. You will hear a short melody that indicates streaming mode. To switch back to environmental program, press the button once again. Your hearing system will return to the default setting or program. P680M is sent with a tulip dome and a power dome option. These are for use should you experience any feedback or whistling or find that the size 7 dome is too small. Remove the size 7 dome from the end of the tubing by pulling it straight off. Insert the tulip dome onto the end of the tubing, ensuring that it is pushed over the small ridges on the end of the tubing. Please take care when doing this. The power dome is a tighter fit and a little more difficult to insert. For your convenience, we will include the power dome option pre-attached to a standard size tubing.